project on a real life system. I'm trying to print the GOAT, the greatest footballer of all time. Here, it's done. Look, what do you think of it?
Our reporter Jules is in the lab.
Yes, thank you, Christy. I'm standing here in the lab in Gemini, and I'm next to the Arizona flatbed printer.
Trying to print the greatest footballer of all time again. Let's see the result. I think it's done. Look, now the quality is perfect.